What if your next customer wasn't in your city, or even in your country? Imagine waking up to inquiries from buyers in the United States, Europe, the Middle East, or Asia, all interested in the products you already manufacture or supply. The question is, how do you find international buyers and start selling products globally if you've never exported before? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners can start an export business, find overseas buyers, and generate international sales using proven B2B trade strategies. We'll also look at how Tradewheel.com can help suppliers connect with global buyers and explore new export opportunities. If you're a manufacturer, supplier, wholesaler, or business owner looking to grow export sales, make sure to subscribe because we regularly share export business tips, B2B selling strategies, and international trade insights. Let's begin. The first step to exporting successfully is identifying products with international demand. Many businesses focus on what they want to sell. Successful exporters focus on what buyers are already searching for. Before entering global markets, research which countries import your products, analyze demand trends, and understand the requirements of your target market. This simple step can significantly increase your chances of getting export orders. The second step is creating a professional online presence. Think like an international buyer. If someone finds your company today, will they immediately understand what you sell, why they should trust you, and how to contact you? Your product listing should include detailed descriptions, high-quality images, specifications, certifications, and clear business information. A strong profile can make the difference between receiving inquiries and being overlooked. This is one reason many exporters use platforms like Tradewheel.com to showcase their products and connect with international wholesale buyers from different regions around the world. Now let's talk about one of the biggest questions new exporters ask. How do I find international buyers? The answer is visibility. Buyers can't contact you if they can't find you. Successful suppliers increase their visibility by maintaining active product listings, responding quickly to inquiries, and presenting themselves as reliable business partners. The more visible and responsive your business is, the more likely you are to attract qualified export leads. Next, let's discuss export documentation. Many beginners focus entirely on finding buyers and forget that successful international trade depends on proper paperwork. Commercial invoices, packing lists, product certifications, and shipping documents all play a critical role in ensuring smooth transactions. Being prepared with accurate documentation helps build trust and prevents costly delays. Another important factor is pricing. When selling products internationally, your pricing needs to remain competitive while still protecting your profit margins. Remember, buyers compare more than just prices. They compare supplier reliability, communication, product quality, and delivery performance. Sometimes the supplier who provides the most confidence wins the deal, not the one with the lowest price. Now here's a tip that separates average exporters from successful ones. Don't focus only on getting your first order. Focus on building long-term relationships. One satisfied international buyer can generate repeat business for years and become a valuable growth partner for your company. Consistent communication, transparency, and professionalism are what transform a single inquiry into a lasting business relationship. Platforms such as Tradewheel.com can help create those opportunities by connecting exporters with businesses actively looking for products and suppliers. But long-term success comes from how effectively you manage those buyer relationships. So if you're wondering how to become an exporter, how to sell products internationally, or how to grow your export business, remember these key steps. Choose products with global demand. Create professional product listings. Increase your visibility to international buyers. Understand export documentation. Price competitively. And focus on building long-term buyer relationships. The global market is full of opportunities, and there's never been a better time for businesses to expand beyond local borders. If you're currently exporting or planning to start, tell us in the comments what product you're looking to sell internationally. And if this guide helped you understand how to find international buyers and grow your export business, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with fellow manufacturers, suppliers, and exporters. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.